Imagine a smartwatch that not only keeps you connected, but also acts as your personal lifeguard in emergencies. On Wednesday, during its Made by Google event, Google introduced the Pixel Watch 4, a sophisticated device packed with innovative features designed to enhance your daily life and safety. But here's where it gets controversial. Does having a smartwatch with emergency satellite communication really make a difference in everyday scenarios? The Pixel Watch 4 comes in two sizes, a 41mm model starting at $349 for Wi-Fi and $449 for LTE, and a 45mm version starting at $399 for Wi-Fi and $499 for LTE. One of the standout features is its Actua 360 display, which is not just flat, but domed, providing a 10% larger active area and an edgeless look with 16% smaller bezels. The display is also 50% brighter, reaching up to 3,000 nits, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. For those who venture into remote areas, the LTE versions of the Pixel Watch 4 include standalone emergency satellite communication. This feature connects users to emergency services via geostationary satellites, making it possible to call for help even when you're out of cellular range. The technology is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 wearable platform, which ensures reliable and efficient performance. User convenience is also a priority. By simply raising your wrist, you can activate Gemini without pressing a button or saying, "Hey Google." This hands-free operation is particularly useful when you're busy with other tasks, like carrying groceries or walking your dog. The watch also includes on-device AI capabilities, such as smart replies, which generate contextually appropriate responses to your messages. Battery life has been significantly improved. Google has also introduced a new fast-charging dock, allowing you to quickly recharge your watch. And for the first time, the Pixel Watch 4 is water-resistant, up to 50 meters and serviceable, featuring a replaceable battery and display. Under the hood, the Pixel Watch 4 is more powerful, thanks to Google's next-generation NL-powered coprocessor, which is 25% faster and uses half the power of its predecessor. This boost in performance enhances the watch's ability to handle complex tasks efficiently. Health and fitness tracking have also seen significant improvements. The Pixel Watch 4 is 18% more accurate at classifying complete sleep cycles and can track the time spent in each stage of sleep. A new skin temperature sensor helps monitor changes in your well-being, adding another layer of health monitoring. Additionally, the watch's dual-frequency GPS provides more accurate route tracking, even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas. If you forget to start a workout, the watch's AI will automatically detect and classify your activity, ensuring you don't miss out on tracking your progress. New exercise options such as basketball and pickleball have been added to the mix. Google has also introduced a personal AI health coach, which offers 24/7 fitness and sleep coaching based on data from your Pixel Watch. This feature aims to provide on-demand guidance tailored to your specific goals. Answering questions like, "Is this cold plunge actually good for me?" or "What's the best way to fight jet lag?" The personal AI health coach is currently available as a preview for users of any Fitbit device or Pixel Watch in the US, starting this October. The Pixel Watch 4 is available for pre-order today and will hit store shelves on October 9. We value your feedback and are always looking to improve. Help us by sharing your thoughts and experiences with TechCrunch's coverage and events. Fill out this survey to let us know how we're doing and enter for a chance to win a prize. Aisha Malik, a consumer news reporter at TechCrunch, brings a wealth of experience to her role. Before joining TechCrunch in 2021, she was a telecom reporter at Mobile Syrup. Aisha holds an honors bachelor's degree from the University of Toronto and a master's degree in journalism from Western University. You can reach her at aisha@techcrunch.com or via encrypted message at Aisha_Malik 01 on Signal.